Hello everyone. This video is all about the payment process that we Code Warrior use for our course purchasement. So for purchasing our course, you first have to go to our site, which is codewarriors2020.tech. After visiting to our site, you can see the option purchase here, and by clicking on this option you will move to this purchase page and you can see the steps here to purchase your course. And after that you can also see the two categories that we describe here, combo and solo. And for example, let me buy this first course, Python plus ML, and for purchasing this course I have to click on this button which specifies the price of this course. On clicking this button, I will be redirected to a third party, which is InstaMojo, a secured payment gateway. Here you can also verify your name of the course and the price of the course. After that, you have to click on Pay Now button and you have to provide your details. For example, the name, I will write here code, email address, any random email address, code.com. You have to provide your own email address and the phone number. After that, you have to click on next. Then you can see a QR code generated here. You can scan this QR code from your Paytm or Google Pay account, or if you don't have this option, then you can also use another option of payments like credit card, debit card, net banking, or wallets other than Paytm and Google Pay if you have them. And this is all about the payment process for purchasing our code. And after successful of this payment, you will be redirected to a Google form where you have to provide your basic details, and the invoice that you get from this InstaMojo of the purchasement of the course, you have to upload that invoice to that Google form so that we can verify your transaction. So this is all about. Thank you for listening.